How to activate a Bendigo Bank credit card online. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser. Now head over to bendigobank.com.au. Now on this web page, you want to click on the login option. Then here you first have to enter your access ID. If you want it to be remembered, you want to check this option. Then click on the next option. In case you have forgotten your access ID, you can click on this link. If you are new to this, you can click on the register option below, then follow the on-screen prompts. Now once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option of credit cards. Now you're going to find your credit cards over here. Simply select the one that you want to activate, then click on the option of activate. You will be prompted to enter details related to your credit card such as your card number, expiration date, CVV number. Just make sure that you have your credit card handy to provide this information. You will also have to verify your identity during the activation process. This could involve providing additional personal information or answering security questions. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once you have submitted the necessary information and verification steps, your Bendigo Bank credit card should be successfully activated. After completing the activating process, you may receive a confirmation message. If you face any difficulty, you can simply click on the Contact Us option and then contact the customer support of the bank directly. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.